Assessment of storage capacities. The income value of storage facilities consists predominantly out of the reduction of storage losses, the preservation or improvement of the quality of stored goods and the resilience against untimely bottlenecks in supply. However, a comprehensive assessment may have to consider two additional aspects. The first aspect is the choice between the existing use or the potential optimal use as a basis for valuation. The assessment of the existing use is derived from information about the previous utilization of storage capacities in a farming system. The potential use can be determined through modeling of optimal storage logistics. A basis for such calculations is, for example, the determination of optimal sales times and the economic order quantity. Assessments based on actual use can lead to an underestimation of the value of storage capacities. This would result in underestimating opportunity costs from alternative use of such capacities in the three other sub-areas of a farming system. The optimal use of resources, in turn, determines the income, which forms the basis for the other criteria of decision-making behavior. The second aspect concerns the assessment of the quantity of food stored for personal use and its contribution to the household's food supply. This is especially relevant in the assessment of farming systems, which use larger shares of their production for self-sufficiency. Initial losses of the harvested quantity occur already between harvest and storage. These harvest losses depend, among other things, on mechanization and the timing of the harvest. Additional losses occur during storage, for example due to pests. To determine the contribution of the remaining amount to the nutrition of the farming family, further losses must be considered. These arise from sorting, peeling and chopping and the subsequent processing, such as during cooking. Only the amount that remains afterwards actually contributes to nutritional supply of the farming family.